Good evening, students. So tomorrow is a very important day for all of you, for all of us. Why? Because as we all know, September 1st is the date of hearing given by Supreme Court for the PIL that is filed against the discrepancy of marks in NEET PG 2025. It is a very important case. Very important. Why? Because the future of thousands of NEET PG aspirants is dependent on it. And at this moment, all the NEET PG students, they need to stand with each other. But what I'm seeing on social media is that there are two sections. One section is for it, together in it, and the one section is just spreading negativity and just condemning those who are taking some action. तो बेटा आप लोग समझ ही नहीं रहे हो जो कंडेम कर रहे हैं, जो नेगेटिविटी फैला रहे हैं. क्या मांग रहे हैं? ट्रांसपेरेंसी मांग रहे हैं. दैट्स इट. सिर्फ ट्रांसपेरेंसी मांग रहे हैं. That answer key that has been released by NEET PG by ND, what is it? Is it an answer key? Like, can you call it as an answer key? I don't understand this answer key at all. And similarly, thousands of students are not understanding. What we are asking for is simple transparency. Just in compliance of that Supreme Court directive has released this so-called answer key, ताकि कोर्ट की अवमानना ना हो. लेकिन ये आंसर की से कोई जवाब नहीं मिलता है. डिस्क्रिपेंसी ऑफ मार्क्स जो दिख रहा है उसका कोई जवाब नहीं मिल रहा है. एंड अगर ये आंसर की है देन डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ सिस्टम एरर, देयर इज अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम एरर. And that thing, that line that NB has written under the scorecard, that there's a computer generated mark sheet and the result and NB will not be responsible. How can you be not responsible? How can you even say that? Thousands of students, their future, their dreams, their parents, you are responsible, sir. And I hope that Supreme Court takes cognizance of this error, this mass scam that has gone on. I mean, this has come to the light this year. Last year also it came to the light, but last year in the garb of normalization, everything was covered up. So absolutely this is not acceptable. You give transparency, you give a proper answer key with questions, with the right option, and then give what the student has marked. And now in this one important thing I would like to say, in the students there is a section of students who thinks that instead of wasting time in all this, they should rather start preparing for INICT or NEET PG 2026. So if they are thinking like that, you're absolutely right. You can just detach yourself from this and start with your preparations for INICT or for NEET PG 26. इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली देखो, आज ये केस है कोर्ट में, कल कोर्ट क्या डिसीजन लेती है अभी किसी को पता नहीं है. अभी क्या होगा आगे कुछ नहीं पता. एंड एनडी इज इन अ वेरी फास्ट फॉरवर्ड मोड. आप देखिए बहुत फास्ट फॉरवर्ड मोड में है. वो चाह रही है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट कुछ डिसीजन ले उससे पहले हम फटाफट से काउंसलिंग शुरू करवा दें. तो अभी कुछ भी पता नहीं है कि क्या होगा. लेकिन जो स्टूडेंट्स अपनी तैयारी शुरू करना चाहते हैं, they want to start preparing for the next exam, definitely should go for it. Now there's another subsection of these students who have given NEET PG for at least third or fourth attempt, and they don't have the energy left, they don't have the resources left. पक गए, हो गया, खत्म, अब इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं. उनके लिए my suggestion, my advice as a guide, as a mentor, I'll say that बेटा अब अपने को इस रैंक पे जो भी सीट अवेलेबल है, जो मिल रहा है, MD मिल रहा है, MS मिल रहा है, DNB मिल रहा है, या प्री पैरा क्लिनिकल मिल रहे हैं, क्लिनिकल नहीं मिल रहा है, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. ज़िंदगी में आपको जो मिले आप उसमें लो से आगे बढ़ो, करियर बनाओ. नो ब्रांच इज बैड, नो ब्रांच इज बैड. एंड यू कैन राइट अ सक्सेस स्टोरी इन एनी ब्रांच, इन वॉट एवर यू डू. कोई कल को एक दुकान लगाता है ना, तो उस दुकान में भी सक्सेस स्टोरी बना सकता है. कोई कल को कोई अपना बिजनेस खोलता है, अपना क्लिनिक खोलोगे, उसको भी आप सक्सेसफुल बना सकते हो. सक्सेस इज नॉट डिफाइंड बाय योर नीट रैंक. सो डोंट गेट डिफ्लेटेड और डोंट लूज होप लाइक दिस. Don't give any more exams, don't take a drop. So take the seat, the branch which is available right now, and then you make your career in that. This is the best option that is available with us right now. You have to be practical, don't become emotional. Emotions में जाओगे तो फिर there's no explanation. So become practical, become realistic. This is the reality, we have to face it and we have to move forward. Right now what I'm saying, you might not like it, but 10 years down the lane, you'll realize that yes, ma'am was saying correctly. And not just third and fourth drop वाले students. There are so many students जो first attempt दिया, second attempt दिया, even they are like हो गया, we don't trust the system anymore. Like what if I leave the seat this year and I go for a drop and I give the exam next year some other पंगा happens. So people have really lost their hopes. So in this scenario, my advice to you will be to pick up the branch which is available at your rank, make the best out of it. Career, success story, बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें होती हैं, बहुत दूसरी चीज़ों पे भी there are multitude of factors on which it depends. So don't worry, don't become hopeless. The same thing I would like to say to the parents also, please support your children during these difficult times. I know you all are also devastated by the whole system, but we have to somehow, when things are not in our hand, we have applied to Supreme Court and the justice, it will take time to be delivered, but in the meantime, be with your children and they need you at this time, they need you the most. So there were these two important things which I wanted to convey to the students. And next week there is one video coming up for MS General Surgery, those who want to take MS General Surgery, and even a video on MD versus DNB. And in this I'm talking to a DNB person and he's going to clarify a lot of things for you. So stay tuned to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.